Hello, guys, and welcome back to Learn English Through Stories, where we share inspiring and thought provoking tales to improve your English skills. So, let's get started. It was a rainy evening in London. Emma, a young professional, was rushing to catch her train. As she ran through the station, she accidentally bumped into an early man. Apologetic, Emma offered to help him gather his scattered belongings. As they stood up, the man introduced himself as a Jack, a retired musician. Emma learned that Jack had been struggling to find purpose since his wife's passing. Moved by his story, Emma shared her own experience of loss and resilience. Their conversations flowed effectively less, and before long Emma's train arrived. As she bid farewell, Jack handed her a small notebook. For you, he said. Write your own story. Emma boarded the train, feeling a sense of connection with the stranger. She began writing in the notebook, reflecting on their encounter. Words poured out, and soon a story unfolded. Over the next few weeks, Emma returned to the station, hoping to find Jack. One evening, she spotted him playing his violin. The melodies echoed through the station, captivating passers-by. Emma approached him and they shared a warm smile. You inspired me to write again, she said. Jack's eyes sparkled. You helped me find my purpose. Okay, I have a question for you. What role do strangers play in shaping our lives? Please answer in comment. Thanks for listening to the unexpected encounter. Join us next time for another inspiring story. See you soon. Take care.